This fabric is called Crosswind in Storm Cloud. It's a retro vinyl upholstery fabric, mid-century modern circles in gray, brown, off-white, commercial grade, 54 inches wide. This is a really fantastic vinyl fabric. It would be great on a banquette, benches, ottomans, seating, for any sort of industrial, commercial seating, upholstery. You could also do it for booths, bar stools. It is a really fantastic fabric. It's reading maybe a little bit darker in my video than the actual. It's a little creamier, maybe closer to what's down here. It's very nice. We have 23 yards of this. It is, sorry about my dog behind me. 23 yards. And it's a closeout. The backing is a knit cream backing with a little bit of iridescent in there. But on the front there's none. It's a matte finish. It's very nice, easy to work with. It's not too stiff. Yeah, it's a great one.